It's 11 o'clock and we are at the cross at Mount Samat in the Philippines, and it looks really cool. And you can also take an elevator to the top, which Travis and I are going to do, I think. It's 12 o'clock and we walked all the way up here. And it literally looks like the cross might actually fall, but it's just the clouds moving. So now we're walking all the way back down because we've spent like 30 minutes up here. This is what we walked. We had to go through all these zigzags to get all the way back down there where I was when we first got here. And we have to zigzag all the way down there. All the way. Here we go. Now it's 12:20 and we're seeing a monkey! There's 2 of them! We're opening the door, I guess. Oh no, he's leaving! Wait, Travis!
Oh, he's running now.
Oh, there's one over here.
Alright, close the door, close the door.
It's right there! There's 2 of them. There's one right there!
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
There's
cute!
monkeys here.
Wait, there's a black one.
There's another one right there! There's like 3 of them!
There's like 6 of them.
Yeah.
This is their home.
Aww, how cute! Yeah!
When the animals come up,
I've had a few dogs.
You take your fingers off, Zach.
There's one right there eating.
Now you can say you saw a monkey.
I saw a monkey. It's 2:20 and we are at the fair here in the Philippines. And we are drinking Goku Pandan.
And there.
And it's like a coconut juice with another fruit. I'm not sure what it is.
This was some.
But I'm gonna try it. Oh my gosh, that's really good. It's really sweet though, like really sweet. It's 2:30 and we just got all our food. Look at all this.
Oh, yeah, you make a commercial.
Yes. Looks so good. Oh, and I didn't mention that this is actually frozen so that it's sweeter because sugar melts faster than everything else, which I thought was really cool. So now it's 4:50 and we're at Nancy Osbo's house and we're about to leave. And they are our family friends that we are hanging out with here in the Philippines. And this is their dog, Little Bit. And these are their 2 other dogs. That's Yoda. And that's Bow Wow. And that is the mom. And then the other dog is the dad of that dog. Bye! Now it's 5 o'clock. And we're at this place, it's a mall, and we're getting pure coconut water. Well, it's pure coconut juice. And Mo's getting me the biggest bottle right there.
No, that's only water, just for something. Utasan ko ba ba tayo? Hindi na. Isa ka lang ngayon, ha? Lumabas lang po. Bili lang po ng mami merienda niya. Ito.
Thank you. I can't remember. And that's February 5th and it's the next day and it is 2:30 and I totally forgot to vlog last night and I was really tired, so like I fell asleep like right after we got home. Well, right after we got back to the hotel because we went there earlier in the day that day to drop off our luggage before we went to the cross that we went to on Mount Samat. But now it's 2:30 like I said. And I took a shower, that's why my hair looks like this. And we are going to the Mall of Asia, which is the largest mall in Asia. So that's really cool. And we're gonna get a micro SD card for my camera, because I need it. And this mall is huge. I mean, it is the largest mall in Asia, so it's pretty big. 2:55 and we found the parents and Travis because Nancy, Mo, and I got here first and we lost them because they left before we did and they were in front of us, but I guess our guy took a shortcut and so we couldn't find them. And so we thought they were here and they were lost. So we tried to find them, but they just got here. So now we're waiting for Mo to come back because he went to look for them. So now it's 3:05 and we are in the Mall of Asia.
In the Philippines, like ballers.
We
said fuck going. We said fuck going to normal shit. We're going to fucking.
3:40 and we just got our
And we don't know where we're
pizza.
going, so like it'd be really nice to discuss where we're going and who we're trying to see and what we're gonna do. But Becca wants to just act like that's not a part of the issue.
It's 4:30 and we're at Krispy Kreme. And we're getting a donut.
I'll get this one. I'll get this one.
Now it's 5:30. And we just got our hollow. This is a normal hollow.
in the picture too and get
And this is a white hollow.
different look.
And there's a bunch of different stuff. There's Jello, ice cream, sugar ice, evaporated milk, mango beans. That's ube ice cream. That's the flavor. There's custard and some granola.
Yeah, thank you.
So try it. I'm not too sure about it. And you have to mix the hollow because that's what hollow means. It means mix. This is the shop that we got the hollows at. It's Chow
King, even though it's supposed to be CHOA
It's not.
for Chow.
Yeah? You weren't
No,
even looking at the lid.
Chow.
And we're here at the pier. We're getting some fries. Look at the sizes. So there's a regular, a large, jumbo, mega, giga, and tera. So it's like a megabyte, gigabyte, and terabyte. I thought it was funny. It's 9:30 and we are back at the hotel and I've just been watching some YouTube videos and today was pretty crazy. We went to the Mall of Asia and I got stares, a ton of them, and it sucked. I hated it because everybody just kept staring at me and that's so weird. And then the other day when we went to the cross, someone asked to take a picture with me and I was like, okay. So we were at the Mall of Asia and then we went down to the boardwalk and like once we got off the escalator, like it was so weird. These guys like just stood up like as we got off and I was like, hey, what's your name? And then like a bunch of guys just kept looking at me and staring at me. It was weird. And I also got this mouse at the Mall of Asia. And then I also got this micro SD card and a adapter. But this micro SD card is actually my brother's. And he gave it to me because it is 64 gigabytes and the one that I bought was 32. But I'm going to go to bed. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!